Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Concube, and in this video we are going to learn our second part of full OLL series which is going on right now. Okay, so this is the second part. In the first part I told you to practice for T shapes, and now we will come on to the second part, which is square shape. So it will be like this. Okay, so whenever you form a square, it will be like this. So first think of recognition these cases is that you see a square on the cube first, and there is no yellow pieces over here. Okay, now this was the first one. Now you have to identify between the two parts, either it is the first case or it is the second case. Basically these two are the replica of both the case, unlike in the previous video in which I did the T cases. In this they are basically a replica of each other. Like if here it is RD, here it is RU. Okay, so I have written in my simplified algorithm, and if you want to learn it through the clockwise and anti-clockwise algorithm typing notation, you can learn from that also. Okay, so first thing was to identify the square. Okay, so when you identify a square, then you need to see a single yellow corner piece. Okay, you need to find a single yellow corner piece. Okay, since I can see the single yellow corner piece, so I have to what do I have to do? This single yellow corner piece will always be in the right direction. Okay, in the right side. So if it comes over here, so if it is here, so this will be the case. Okay, you just have to hold this in the right direction, and you get the case of second case. Okay, so let me recall it again. First you need to do the square, find out the square, then you need to find out the corner in which only there is one yellow piece. Okay, which is not aligning with their edges. Okay, they also have yellow piece, but they are aligning with their edges. So these are not the one we want the single one. And here we got it is not aligned with the yellow color in the edges, so this is the single part, and these two have aligned with the edges, these two colors, so we cannot take this. So we find out this single part in the second case, and in the third, what we have to do, we have to keep this in the right direction, and when we keep this in the right direction, we get to know whether this is our this case or that case. So now I can see this is our second case. So formula for second case is, you have to always hold like this. This should come, the single yellow piece to recognize should come always at the right hand. Okay, this right side. So you have to hold like this, and r small ru means this r wide. Okay, so basically we will perform the formula now. So first hold like this, then perform the formula. Ru, small ru, okay, u2, then rd, write down, ur, then again write up, then ur, then this hold down, small rd. Okay, and you can see that you got a crossover here. You got a full side of yellow solid. So now let's go on to the second case. See, this is the fast thing. If you want to see the finger trick, you just want to hold it like this, then this, then this, then this, then okay. So this is the slower version. So let's go on to the second part now. So this is our second case. First we recognize the square, then we see where is the single yellow corner piece, so which is not aligned with other yellow piece. So here it is, and we always know that this will always come on the right side, so we are going to hold it like this and perform just the duplicate or opposite algorithm which we performed in the second part, which I just showed you in the first part. So since here it is right up, so now we will do right down. Okay, and everything will be same. You have to hold like this, keeping this at the right side. Okay, so this is the actually way of recognizing things. So what you need to do, you need to do the just opposite, write down u2, okay, then write up ul, write down ul, then write up, and you can see you have solved your yellow side. Okay, So this is like this. If you want to see what is the finger tricks, so this is write down, okay, then u2 is 1, u2, okay, then write down, sorry, write up like this, then ul rd, then again ul, then hold up. Okay, so this was the finger trick which you are going to use in this. So this is a quite this will take your practice. Okay, this is not like this which we did in the last class. Okay, it's not fast because we are familiar with sexy move and the sledgehammer. That's why we are able to do. So you need to do practice. You will also get fast in this. I basically struck in this part, first one, because it has had some down move and I'm not great with that. Okay, I am much great with the upper move. So second one is okay with me, but I will do more practice of the first one, and with me also you should also do the practice of every case which I am teaching you one by one. That is why I am making a series one by one. I am not teaching everything at once only. So thank you guys for watching. In the next class we will come with our new case. So till then keep practicing. Okay guys, bye.